Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready. It's gonna be hard work.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, here we are. We're gonna install this REDCAT light kit for the Gen 8. And I got my handy son to help me out installing all this. Tricky part is I did install a kind of a tow hook in the back bumper, so it's going to give us a little bit of a hassle, and I do have a winch here, but that's okay, there's a place to disconnect it. So let's get cracking and install the light kit.
First thing
what? First thing, you got to look at the instruction. That's the first thing.
Okay, where is it?
Looks like Chinese to me.
For me too.
So we got to find the right wire. We're going to take all the wires. It's pretty easy. It shows you where the light actually goes. So when you look at these letters, it matches up where they go on the bumper and on the tail lights. Back bumper's off. Now let's take the front bumper. But the front bumper, we actually have a winch with a dual motor. So here's a connection. So we'll disconnect that, and then we'll be able to take the front bumper off. So with the Gen 8 pack, there was a part bag. These parts are very important. So don't throw your bag away, because you'll need this to install the lights. It comes with the kit to put the lights in the body. Front bumper and rear bumpers are off, and now we're going to install the lights, 2 in the front, and well, actually 4 in the front and 2 in the rear. Fronts are installed. Now we're screwing the bumper back on. So basically, they supplied you with a Y cable. What you have to do is unplug the ESC. If you're not sure, usually sometimes the cable are a different color, but this one is directly from the servo, easy to see. And this one is the ESC. So you basically unplug this and plug from the Y. You plug, doesn't matter which one, but I'm taking the long one, and I'm actually going to plug it in there. There's only one way it goes in. Once you've done that, you take the other part. It has a male and a female, and you plug that into there. And there we go. And this is going to go into the light kit, into the position of the ESC. Now to find out which one is going where, easiest way I found is that you look at the plug, and the first 2 wires are actually the one that has the 4 headlights. So you follow this, the instruction, it shows you that this plug, the one here, has 4, B1, B2, B3, and B4. That's all for the headlights. And then you can follow the rest for the rear. So B1 and then B2 and so on.
Whoa! Lights.
Now let's put the top on. Okay, let's turn it on. So now the brake light, the reverse light actually works when you go reverse and when you go forward, and then when you go stop, the brake light comes on. So if you go reverse, the reverse light comes on. What you have to do is you have to take a jumper off of the light module, and that's actually identified into the manual.
We got lights!